Okay, hey everybody. I'm here with Stephen Wu. Thank you so much for allowing us to have a look at the Rolls-Royce Spectre. This is, without a question of a doubt, the apex, if you want, of luxury. 700,000 Canadian approximately for this model, although they do go down to $500,000, correct? Yeah. Okay. Good. Yeah. So this is the first time I've ever seen one, period. I haven't been to Britain for a long time. And I've got to tell you, I like everything about it. I even like the color. I like the color combination as well. Green, that color green is usually not something that I like, but I mean, this thing is so absolutely gorgeous. It isn't even funny. I can't begin to tell you how excited I am to have you allow us to see this. So, Stephen, I've already looked at the gaps a little bit. The gaps look perfect. It's a Rolls-Royce. I expected that. But can you tell us a little bit about the vehicle, maybe its horsepower or kilowatt rating? That would be great if you could help us out there. Yeah.
Definitely, Sandy. Thanks for having me here. So basically, this is the first electric vehicle from Rolls-Royce, right? So we call it Spectre. And with Rolls-Royce going to that direction, that's the one key element they want to keep is, first of all, it is a Rolls-Royce. That's why you see from the design, the script accuracy, Pantheon grills, they all keep that the same. Right?
Yes.
As well, if the electric motor, horsepower-wise, the front motor is 190 kilowatt.
Yes.
The back is 360.
Yes.
So combined, the horsepower for drive is 430 kilowatt. And the performance, and actually the tuned actually is the same as the Wraith before. If you're familiar with the Wraith, the fast V12 two-door coupe, and so which is 0 to 100 kilometers, you're looking at 4.5 seconds, and then 0 to 60 is 4.4 seconds.
Wow,
it's very.
How much does this weigh?
It weighs close to like 6,500 pounds.
6,500 pounds?
Yes.
Oh, I was going to say, I thought you were going to say kilograms.
No.
Holy good. Yeah, 6,500 pounds. So less than I anticipated. That's less than a Hummer. So
one of the reasons is they use the whole chassis is full aluminum.
Yes. Yeah.
So which is they share with the it's a Phantom 8. 8th generation.
Yeah.
So with Rolls-Royce, we call it the architecture of luxury. Right? So basically, it's customizable. So they share the platform with Phantom, Cullinan, the SUV, Ghost, and then now
this one,
the Spectre.
Well, it certainly looks the part of a Rolls-Royce. I think it's just stunning. So maybe what we can do is let's go over here and let the buying public know what a luxury car is supposed to look like. I haven't opened the door, but I know what the door is going to do. So why don't you show us what?
Definitely. First of all, with Rolls-Royce, their signature we call rear hinged coach door.
Yep.
So opens this way, the opposite way to traditional coupe.
Yeah.
So open this one.
So now. Yeah,
with the way it opens, one of the benefits of that is give you a wide opening, easy to get in and out.
Yes.
Yeah, especially for a rear passenger. Right? If I quickly demonstrate one.
Yeah.
Because Rolls-Royce is all about effortless. Everything you need to do is effortless.
Yes.
So smooth, quiet, easy to get in and out. So you see the back. If I'm walking like this. Folded back, seats move back. I'm 5'9", so Sandy, you want to try the driver's seats? Then you can see I have perfectly more room.
Alrighty, good then. It's funny, I couldn't get into any of the other cars, and now I'm sitting in something worth 700 grand. So,
see the back, I still have lots of room. Right, I'm 5'9".
This is definitely perfect for me for driving. Even the steering wheel's in the right place. Maybe I should drive home instead of take the airplane. Anyhow, this is really quite nice. I love the feel of. The one thing that's about Bentley and Rolls-Royce, especially Rolls-Royce, is the texture of the leather. leather for Rolls-Royce is always going to be a bull, always, because they want to have the consistency uniform, and a cow is not a bull. And they're very, very specific and very serious about how leather is done and whatnot. And everything here, the controls that they do have are cool and easy. What I think is kind of interesting is they have rotary systems here that I would expect to see on a Tesla and whatnot. Basically, the shifting mechanism. Oh, you've got it on the profile, but we've got a dial here, probably similar to the normal BMW, which would shift the gears.
That. It's very easy to control here.
Yeah.
So basically, you just touch a button to the home. And it's touch screen too, right? You can touch from there. So it's very easy to use. You go to all the different apps to access to all the controls. It's very easy from the door.
I love personal assistant. What's that?
So it's a voice control.
Oh,
yes, the
very
personal
good.
assistant, and the name is Ananoy. You know, Ananoy is the split accuracy is designed after.
Yeah.
So, and on the inside, you can see the passenger seats there. There's kind of like a Milky Way stars, right? See the Spectre and
I saw the stars here on the. I figured that was what was going on here.
on the door.
Yeah.
And also the roof, of course.
Oh, wow. Oh, I missed that. Oh my gosh, look at this. So the whole thing is like looking up at the night sky.
Yeah.
And you know what's unique is this doesn't have the big panel that normally everybody's putting a chunk of glass or actually Lexan in. Yeah, I just love the seats. I like the way they look. I mean, they're really, everything here is really quite stylish. And I don't know, it's stylish and luxurious at the same time.
And it's very supportive and comfort, right? You see
the comfort is fabulous. Yeah. I wish I didn't have the microphone stuck in my back, but I can tell you right now that this has got to be one of the most comfortable seats I've sat in my life. Yeah, everything here is just absolutely brilliant. So you have a traditional sort of radio.
So basically all the control here. So Rolls-Royce designed it, unlike some other EVs of give a giant iPad, no buttons. This all the button, just like the gas model. The control, air conditioning.
Yeah, it was just maybe you can have a look here. So this has got a little dial kind of a thing, and you'll notice that it goes from blue to red. And
you want to cool them or blue?
Yeah, I like this. It's very kind of I don't know, elegant. That's the word. Yeah.
And very effective. Yeah, directly you control it right there. And upper zone, lower zone to separate.
Excellent. So one of the problems associated with these little vanity mirrors, you might want to take. Have you got this? One of the problems is that you'd open it up and there'd be a light coming directly at your face. But what Rolls has done is they put a little vanity light on top, so that if you're doing makeup, it actually will give you a real, the real part of your face, so you know what you're kind of like getting into, I guess. Oh, this is brilliant. How do we open the front?
The hood? Yeah.
The
so
hood.
Before we do that, I want to try you one more little trick. You want to close the door, just press on the brake. No, press on the brake.
Press on the brake.
Yeah. Hold it down.
Cool. I like that.
When you open the door, so for Spectre, it also has power assist door. So what do you do, Sandy? If you pull the door handle, you will pop up. Yeah, just pull. Yeah, see, pop out a little bit, right?
Yeah.
Then you check is safe to open. No, just pull the door handle as you go. The automatic open. No, just hold it down. See?
And it automatically.
Yeah, automatically.
Oh, very good. Wow. Wow, this is spectacular. I mean it sincerely. There's so many nice little touches here. It really is, that really is brilliant. I love that brake closes the door.
I have some of my stuff here. So.
Oh, that's fine. It just proves that you actually use it.
Yeah. So that's the lamp hole. It's very deep. You see here, right?
Yeah.
So you can put a golf club, no problem. And then extra boots inside here. See this? Magnet.
Yeah, magnets holding it in place.
Yeah.
And then
This
this
is
is
the extra room.
This is actually quite deep
Yeah.
as well.
Yeah, yeah.
If we,
Yeah.
yeah. So we're looking at at least 2 feet. Yeah, that's amazing. One of the things I liked about Bentley and Rolls-Royce both was the ability to get luggage in. And this is a little higher than what it used to be, but I understand the reason and rationale. But still, I'm not going to break my back trying to get my luggage, golf clubs, or in my case, I don't golf, so just everything's in the right place. Everything moves so absolutely flawlessly. It really, really looks good. So what does the front look like, or whatever?
The front will be, it's all nicely covered, so there's no extra storage in the front because they have dual motor, right? So the front is a motor, there's an air conditioning condenser inside, and then it has the 12-volt battery there.
Yeah.
So you don't have to pull twice.
Oh, so it's completely covered.
It's
Yeah.
completely covered. You don't see.
Beauty
see.
cover.
Yeah.
So I'm noticing something else that I was kind of hoping to see. This has castings. So this is the shock tower casting. Now I'm not sure how. Not too many people have gotten the opportunity to tear one of these things apart, but this tells me that these would be done on probably a 4, or it depends on how big it is. If it's a casting all the way. Do you mind if I crawl underneath and have a look?
I think it's covered too. If you
Oh, it's covered as well.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
All right. So, Stephen, is there something else you can tell us about this? First off, most people say, "Oh, how many would you sell?" And you gave me a number. Why don't you tell us how many you've sold already?
This is the first year we start deliver customers' car at the beginning of the year. So far there's 5 in Vancouver now.
5 in Vancouver.
The number 6 will be next month. It's arriving. So it's pretty good as a brand new EV, right? Brand new model. So that's the reason we're here. We want more people to be aware. So Rolls-Royce, we are also in that direction.
Yes.
So
well,
definitely.
That's very exciting. So the ratio here, there's about 3 million people in Vancouver, approximately, Greater Vancouver. Yeah. And 6 of them have got their new Rolls-Royces. How much interest did you have at the show? Anybody that actually
I do have one very solid interest. We're booking time coming the week after to in the store to discuss the details.
Really? Yep. Discussing the details?
Yeah, of course, the build or everything.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So,
well, with this, usually you fly to England and pick out colors and stuff like that.
We have in our showroom is a standalone showroom, by the way. So it's got all the samples, right? So people can see.
So you can do everything right there.
Not just on screen. So on screen plus the sample. So that's most of our clients here how to do it to build their cars.
Excellent, excellent. Well, I'm really, really thankful. Thank you so much, Stephen. This was very good. I'm really, really happy to see how everything worked out on this absolutely magnificent looking car. Okay, good then. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. And thanks for watching Munro Live. And let me know if you can afford one of these, because if you can, maybe you can take me out for dinner. So anyway, thank you so much, Steve. Thank you.
Sandy. Appreciate it.
Bye now.